Professor Catherine Messner, one of the co-founders of the One World Foundation, verbalizes how the concept of the One World Foundation has been practically implemented.
Anniversary 25 years ago, we founded One World Foundation School, and the first thing what we did is we built up Bougainvillea. This was the first house, and we knew that we want to make an educational project, because at that time we had the feeling that the children and the young generation was very weak with their English knowledge. So we wanted to help them to learn a better English, and because otherwise they are very isolated, and this is a window to the world when they can speak English. So we decided to start with English classes, and we found in the neighborhood an old family house which we transformed to a school, and we started with very few, I mean it's not so few, but 100 children in the beginning, and we had preschool classes and English classes, and then some tailoring classes. So we had to look about the financial situation, because we had to earn with the guest house Bougainvillea the income which makes the school possible, because we had no other financial possibilities. But we never gave up, and we could, in 2003, we had the first time a good result. That means that the income from this one house, from this Bougainvillea house, make it possible to run the school in the neighborhood, in the neighbor garden. But then came the tsunami, and the tsunami in 2004 destroyed the whole school building. So again, we had nothing, you know, but then we got help from Vienna, from our artist friends, and they did an auction, a benefit auction in Gallery Grinzinger, and good money came in, and we could buy a new school land, because at that time it was not allowed to rebuild the school in Vattorigama, because the tsunami, the rules have changed through tsunami, you know. People were now more careful. They didn't want to have it so nearby the sea. So we were looking everywhere around in the area, and we found a place in Ahungala in Uragaha Road. And we found a nice place, and there we could, with the help from Vienna, we could buy this land, and we could rebuild a new school in Ahungala, a campus, a very beautiful school. It was, I remember always very well, and the start from the school, then slowly the children accepted also the new building, because it was contemporary architecture. For us nice, but for the children they had to get used to the new place. And so these 25 years passed very fast, and we had a very good development. But of course, with the tsunami, it was very difficult. Then there was this big attack years ago, no, Easter attack, also due to religious reasons. Many people died. This was again very sad. And now we have the problem with that COVID virus, which is a very big, sad situation for us, because the guest house makes the school possible, and we have no more income now, because now since May, I think since May, no more guests are coming here. It was the lockdown, and this is a very difficult and very hard situation for us. Of course, we have some friends and sponsors in Austria and in Switzerland, And also here we have friends who are supporting the situation. Otherwise, we could not survive. So you see, we live in one world. This is also a good example that if we help together, we can survive. We can survive. If we are so isolated that we have not any contact with anybody around of us, it's very difficult, because alone you cannot be successful. You need to work with people. And with the teachers are really, and a very good example is our principal, Mr. Prabhat, and also our manager, Ms. Raji De Silva, because she has, as a Sri Lankan, she can see so many nationalities who come to here in this guest house. That's all was all very new for her also. But for her also was clear it's One World Foundation, and I have the feeling that she loved to develop this logo and this content of this school and this guest house. This is now a resort. Here we have now many bungalows. We have 13 rooms now, and the last year was a very good year. And we hope now very much that we go in the future with the help of the manager, Ms. Raji De Silva, and the principal, Mr. Prabhat Vijayasekara, to go on in this philosophy of One World Foundation.
One World Foundation School and Boganilla Guest House come together for one purpose, that's the educational success of One World College. Behind the screen, Boganilla staff is giving their support to this school. The officers of the government appreciate about One World Foundation and also about the directors because of the value of this project for the society. We are so thankful to our foreign supporters and members because of their generous support. We highly appreciate their contribution for all over the years to One World Foundation. Our wish is One World Foundation to be continued with high standard level in the future too. Many happy birthday to One World Foundation.
Sri Lanka is usually regarded as a developing country in South Asian region, and as a country that places a high value on education. Usually parents places lots of emphasis on educating their children, and educated people are generally respected in society. One reason is people value on education, because education is seen as the bridge between a person's class of origin and a class of destination. The OWF completed 25 years history, and at present it has been locally and internationally recognized, registered and accredited institution. One World Foundation has stepped several stages since its beginning with the objective of encouraging social mobility of people living in not only Ahungalle area and several parts of Galle district, Sri Lanka, in introducing unique educational opportunities that can be benefited by the people of free of charge. The schools open from preschooler to an adult without considering their status, class, religion or ethnicity. Presently, the One World College, which consists of several units such as preschool.
Our vision is to develop physical, mental, educational and social condition of the children, as well as providing helping circumstances and facilities on behalf of the formal education according to the early childhood education. Our children can develop their good behaviors, skills and abilities through our outdoor and indoor motivating activities. Children can improve the knowledge of the English and Tamil languages. They can use many musical instruments and computer facilities also here. We have standard and attractive classrooms and good and qualified teachers.
Language training unit, vocational training unit, primary education, extracurricular activities like sports, music. And as well as a Center for Women Cooperation. All the vocational programs and courses are offered from level 1 to level 4 under the framework of National Vocational Qualification. It is called NVQ. Yearly around 1,100 are learning various educational and vocational programs in order to achieve their goals under the guidance of around 40 qualified and experienced teachers and trainers.
වත්මන් ලෝකයේ තුල කාන්තාවකගේ භූමිකාව වැදගත් වන යුගයක අපගේ දැක්ම වනුයේ දිරියෙන් සහ ස්ව ශක්තියෙන් නැගී සිටිනට වෙරදරන ඇයව අත නෑර ඇයට අත දීමයි. අප ආයතනයේ ඒ වෙනුවෙන් විධිමත් පාඨමාලා 3ක් පවත්වාගෙන යනු ලබනවා. මැහුම් පාඨමාලාව, බතික් නිර්මාණ පාඨමාලාව, ගෙතුම් ආශ්‍රිත නිර්මාණ පාඨමාලාව වශයෙන්. නව තාක්ෂණ යුගයකට පිවිසෙන්නට මොවුනට අධිවේගී මහාන යන්ත්‍ර භාවිතය තුළින් නිසි පුහුණුවක්ද අප ආයතනය ලබා දෙනවා. වසර 25ක කාලය තුළ කාන්තා සහගතා අංශය තුළින් ඉතා දක්ෂ වෘත්තිකයන් බිහි වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම ඉදිරියටත් අපේ බලාපොරොත්තුව ආර්ථිකයට උරදිය හැකි ශක්තිමත් නිර්මාණශීලී කාන්තාවක් බිහි කිරීම.
Photography is a unique opportunity which was implemented in 2009 in turning a new page of the college, in forming the students to a different lifestyle, in identifying youth's hidden skills. Up to now, 293 students completed the course and they have been qualified for NVQ level 4. Many of them are engaging as photographers in different professions. Especially, I would like to tell that the One World Foundation is the only center which is offering the NVQ level 4 qualification for photography at present in Sri Lanka.
The computer unit of the One World College has been a key contributor to the goodwill that the One World College has earned so far. The reason for it is the fact that One World Foundation has heavily invested in the computer unit in order to equip it with the necessary technological infrastructure and qualified teachers. One of our major objectives is to make the students in our college ICT literate. The ICT knowledge and the skills that they receive from our unit help them to reap the benefits of globalization. Finally, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the donors for their valuable contributions to the foundation, and my dedicated staff members for their fullest support that they always extend to me in order to reach the objectives of the computer unit.
This is very deep in my heart, and every day because I'm a foreigner, I live here now many years, but I love to stay here, and I wake up in the morning, I'm so thankful to be here because I love your country, I love your people, I like to stay here. I love to go there and to see the pupils in the computer classes, in the English classes, in the tailoring classes, in the photography classes, and in the morning the preschool children. It's so nice to see, and gives me the energy to go on with this project, because for a foreigner it's not always easy also, you know, because very difficult to understand your language for me and all, and so but I go on because I love it, and I will always go on till I'm very old. But then my daughter will come and support me. She loves also the project, and she will come more and more to support me.